Welcome to SAW Car Review, your trusted destination for in-depth analysis and comprehensive breakdowns of the world's most exciting vehicles, both on land and at sea. While our primary focus has long been on performance automobiles, cutting-edge SUVs, and emerging electric mobility, today we are taking a deep dive into a behemoth of maritime engineering, the KDX-IIA Destroyer. Scheduled for launch and deployment in 2026, this formidable warship represents a bold leap forward in South Korea's naval capabilities and showcases how modern warfare is being shaped by digital integration, stealth technology, and multi-purpose combat versatility. The KDX-IIA Destroyer, formerly part of the Republic of Korea Navy's ambitious modernization initiative, is an advanced evolution of the earlier KDX-2 class. While the KDX-2 ships introduced stealth elements and more modern sensors compared to their predecessors, the IIA variant goes significantly further. This vessel is expected to function as a cornerstone in future Korean naval task groups and is being built with a mix of offensive and defensive technologies that rival the best destroyers currently in service worldwide. The displacement of the KDX-IIA sits between 8,000 and 9,000 tons, depending on mission loadout and equipment configuration. That places it closer in size and capability to larger Western destroyers like the Arleigh-Burke class, while still retaining design efficiencies suited for South Korean defense strategy. The hull design incorporates a more angular superstructure to enhance radar evasion, helping reduce the ship's radar cross-section and increasing its survivability in contested waters. Advanced composite materials are rumored to be used in the upper decks to further dampen heat and radar signatures. Powering this next-gen vessel is a combined diesel and gas CODAG propulsion system. This hybrid setup is a strategic choice, enabling a balance between high-speed maneuverability and efficient long-range cruising. Diesel engines ensure the vessel can traverse extended distances with minimal fuel consumption during patrol or escort operations, while gas turbines deliver the quick burst speed needed during combat situations or evasive maneuvers. The top speed is expected to exceed 30 knots, giving it flexibility to operate as part of carrier groups or independent mission packages. A major upgrade comes in the form of the ship's integrated combat system. Based on an improved version of the Aegis combat system, the KDX-IIA will feature enhanced radar arrays, likely to include the latest SPY-1D or even SPY-6 class multifunction phased array radars. This would dramatically increase the ship's ability to detect, track, and engage multiple aerial, surface, and subsurface threats simultaneously. The radar dome and associated sensor equipment are expected to be fully integrated into the ship's sleek silhouette, maintaining its stealth features while providing a full 360-degree situational awareness. When it comes to armament, the KDX-IIA is expected to carry an extensive and diversified arsenal. Vertical launch systems, or VLS cells, are at the heart of its weapon suite. Preliminary reports indicate that it could house up to 64 VLS cells, split between forward and aft sections. These will support a mix of surface-to-air missiles such as the Korean-built Cheonam-2, as well as the American SM-2 or potentially the SM-6 for longer range and more advanced targeting capability. Anti-ship and land attack roles will be fulfilled by the Korean-made Hezong cruise missiles, giving it strategic strike potential from great distances. For close-in defense, the ship will likely feature a phalanx CIWS or a local equivalent to intercept incoming threats at short range. Torpedo tubes and anti-submarine rocket launchers are also built into the destroyer's architecture, allowing it to act effectively in an ASW, or anti-submarine warfare, role. The sonar suite is expected to be state-of-the-art, combining hull-mounted sonar with a towed array system to give maximum detection range and versatility in different sea conditions. Maritime helicopters such as the AW-159 or potentially upgraded variants of the Seahawk will be deployed via a full-sized helideck and enclosed hangar space, further enhancing the ship's submarine hunting and over-the-horizon targeting abilities. One of the most anticipated features of the KDX-IIA is its robust cyber defense and electronic warfare suite. As naval warfare increasingly moves into the digital domain, with missiles and drones guided by AI and real-time data links, the importance of signal jamming, decoy deployment, and network security cannot be overstated. South Korea's defense tech companies have been hard at work integrating software-defined radios, multi-spectrum jamming capabilities, and even potential AI-assisted threat analysis systems into the vessel. These features will ensure the ship can both protect itself and disrupt enemy command and control structures during conflict. The bridge and command center of the destroyer will be outfitted with high-resolution multi-display consoles, touch panel interfaces, and data fusion platforms that allow commanders to react quickly to changing tactical scenarios. Crew comfort and operational efficiency are also being addressed. Accommodations for over 300 personnel will be available, with modernized living quarters, enhanced communication lines between departments, and automation of many routine shipboard functions to reduce fatigue and operational errors. The KDX-IIA will also likely play a role in ballistic missile defense. Given the rising tensions in the region and the proliferation of missile technology in nearby nations, equipping these destroyers with BMD capabilities ensures a forward operating deterrent in the event of a regional escalation. If equipped with the SM-3 interceptor or a Korean equivalent, the ship could track and intercept short to intermediate range ballistic threats in real time, protecting not only the fleet but potentially even cities or strategic bases. From a strategic perspective, the introduction of the KDX-IIA into South Korea's naval fleet serves multiple roles. It acts as a deterrent by sheer visibility and capability. It reassures allies such as the United States and other Indo-Pacific partners that South Korea is prepared to assume more responsibility in joint operations. It also opens up options for independent deployments in international peacekeeping missions, anti-piracy patrols, and maritime exercises. Additionally, it supports domestic defense industry development by serving as a platform for Korean-made sensors, weapons, and electronic systems, thus reducing reliance on foreign imports and boosting technological self-sufficiency. Another dimension worth noting is how the KDX-IIA might influence regional naval arms competition. With China investing heavily in aircraft carriers, frigates, and missile cruisers, and Japan expanding its own destroyer fleet with the Maya class, the pressure is on for navies in East Asia to maintain a credible force. The KDX-IIA's blend of stealth, firepower, and advanced command systems positions it as a top-tier vessel not only in the region but globally. As we look to 2026 and the expected operational deployment of the KDX-IIA, the destroyer stands as a powerful reminder of how far naval design has come in the 21st century. No longer are destroyers simply escort ships. They are now central hubs of electronic warfare, command and control, anti-air and anti-submarine operations, and long-range strike. The KDX-IIA encapsulates all of these in a single frame, making it one of the most anticipated maritime developments of the coming year. Whether you are a naval enthusiast, a defense analyst, or simply someone who enjoys exploring the future of military technology, the KDX-IIA represents a compelling blend of innovation and strategic necessity. It is a ship that reflects South Korea's evolving security doctrine, one that values flexibility, survivability, and interoperability with allied forces. Watching this vessel come to life and eventually take to the seas will be a moment of pride not just for the engineers who build it, but for anyone who appreciates the meticulous art and science of modern shipbuilding. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the KDX-IIA and would like to see more reviews like this, whether they be military marvels, next-gen vehicles, or bleeding-edge transport technology, make sure to subscribe to SACAR Review. Your support helps us bring you more exclusive insights and expert breakdowns on the machines shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.